Why do they have to remake all my favorite childhood movies and cartoons? Because on July 16th, Warner Brothers is releasing Space Jam 2: A New Legacy, starring LeBron James and a whole bunch of characters from their universe. But while looking at the trailer, and honestly, I'm not mad at it, I saw examples of brand consistency that would be helpful to entrepreneurs and new communications professionals. Hey there, welcome to Coffee with Me, Myself, and Ivy, where I use pop culture examples to give you social media tips and communication industry best practices. Before I talk about the trailer, I have a question. Why did they think it was okay to remove Pepe Le Pew the skunk from the movie so they can be politically correct with these times, but you kept Yosemite Sam? Anybody can answer that for me? The Space Jam trailer basically involves LeBron James teaching his son how to play basketball and prepare him for basketball camp. The son clearly is not into basketball. They have a heated discussion. The son walks away. LeBron chases after him, but somehow wherever they are, the son gets kidnapped by some algorithm, Don Cheeto, and LeBron James is told by Don Cheeto, the algorithm, that you need to play a basketball game with me in this Warner Brothers universe to get your son back. And so you see LeBron turn into a cartoon, you see him meet up with Bugs Bunny, and then they get to this game where you see all the characters from the Warner Brothers universe, everyone. Like you'll see Yogi the Bear and the Iron Man. But anywho, while watching this trailer, I saw a lot of brand consistency that connected Space Jam from my childhood in the 90s, starting Michael Jordan, to Space Jam with LeBron James. I saw the Looney Tunes characters. I see a prime basketball player of our time starring in the movie. I see the same family-friendly tone that you also see in the movie in the 90s. Now, before I get into my tips, if you want a more thorough breakdown of the trailer and somebody to reveal the Easter eggs that's throughout the trailer, because it's a lot, check out this video over here. He explained a lot of things, so make sure you go check it out. But now let's get to the tips. So do you want to know how you can have a consistent brand in your workplace just like Space Jam? The first tip I'm going to offer to you, because I don't see this mentioned often, but this is needed if you want to do this right. Please have a team to help you promote your brand so it can be consistent, because you're going to need this team not only to promote it throughout your company and outside your company. You're going to need this team to help you do tip 2, create a brand style guideline. You're going to need color palette, logos, your fonts, etc. Make sure you have a brand style guideline. Just like in the Space Jam movies where you see kind of the same similar colors in outer space, in the old movie in the 90s and the new movie coming out in July, you need to have consistency as well for your brand style guideline, and you're going to need a team to help you enforce it and create it and constantly update it. And then tip 3, you're going to need a brand voice and tone guidelines, and you're going to need that team to help you with that as well. Because just like LeBron James had a team to help play basketball against the creepy monsters to get his son back, you're going to need a team to help you have brand consistency, whether it's a brand style guidelines or a brand voice and tone guideline to tell you how do you promote yourself to the world as a brand. How do you sound? Are you going to be family friendly and humorous like Space Jam? You need a team to help you do these things. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and remember,